pound is getting hit today because of what's going on in the UK. UK Labour government was trying to pass a welfare bill to save £5 billion. Ended up sort of backtracking so much that they're not saving any money at all. And it's thrown the UK government into a bit of chaos. The UK Chancellor looks like they're going to lose their job. It means autumn tax hikes are more likely on the table, and that's weakness for the pound. So that's sending the pound lower. So euro pound upside kind of is to be preferred. And the pound's fall has probably been halted a little bit by Bank of England and Bailey, who say is going to slow down the pace of quantitative tightening. So that's just been supporting the pound a little bit. Oil has been gaining today, and that's mainly been on this private inventory surprise build in the data, but that hasn't really sent markets lower, and you just got a bit of consolidation. But this looks like a dead cat bounce to me, but we'll see. Gold a little bit higher, silver a little bit higher. Let's have a look how the Russell 2000 is doing. Remember, the Russell 2000 is highly sensitive to interest rate expectations. So the Russell 2000, yeah, pulling off its highs for the day as well. And the E-mini sort of trying to pull lower. And if you look at the E-mini, we'll look at this later for the futures, but I was looking at this sort of early this morning. You look at that profile, you've got a kind of a typically kind of like a B profile. Those higher prices were rejected. And it's like price wants to break down lower through this region. Maybe test these value area lows from yesterday and the day before and potentially sort of turn it around. So this is a potential topping action. You can see on balance volume dropping lower. There's a bit of negative delta trying to build in here. And you can see at the top, this is kind of like showing a bit of exhaustion. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more downside in this. Although note, we've got this, inside hammer reversal, inside hammer bar rather. So more upside is not out of the question, but certainly sellers intraday look like they're trying to force the issue. So we'll see how the delta continues.